F2Lers! Today, I will be showing you how to create a prototype using a potentiometer, a buzzer, a button, and LED in one circuit. First, what you will be needing is an Arduino kit. Yay! Also, you need a laptop so that you can perform your codes here. But we'll get to that later. So, I will be showing you first what are the things we will be needing in this video. Charan! So first, what you need is a breadboard. This is where we'll build the prototype. Next, what you need is, of course, LED, a few resistors, a button, buzzer, a potentiometer, of course, our Uno R3, cable wires so that we can connect the Uno R3 to the laptop, a few jumper wires, and an FM cable. This is our FM cable. See that? Okay, so those are the things we need for this video, and let's get right into it. So to start off, I'm gonna place the materials here. I'm just gonna flash their names right on the screen so that you guys can read what are the things we need for this video. So what I like to do first is to assemble the LED because it is the easiest. And remember, the LED has two legs, the longer leg and the shorter leg. The longer leg connects to the pin number and the shorter leg connects to the ground. Always remember that. And I'm just gonna assemble this right here, over there. So you guys can see it, but you just place it anywhere. And always remember that the longer leg connects to the pin number and the shorter leg connects to the ground. So I'm just going to connect this too. Then what I'm gonna do next is to connect the ground to the breadboard so that it'll be easier to know where to connect the resistors later. So there, I connected the ground to the breadboard already. Now I'm going to connect it to the pin number. Remember, the longer leg connects to the pin number assigned to them. There. Then we'll put the resistors next. You're gonna put the resistors at the shorter leg and connect it to the ground. Oh, just like that. There. So, we're done with the LED part. Let's proceed to the next one. So the next part is the potentiometer. And remember, the potentiometer has three legs. We'll connect this part of the leg to the 5 volts, this part to the ground, and the middle one to the A1, which is the pin assigned to the potentiometer. So I'm just gonna place it here. You can see it that clearly, but remember the assigned parts of the legs of the potentiometer. I'm just gonna place it there. I am connecting the 5 volts first. Then I connected the ground. And then I'm going to connect the A1 to the middle leg of the potentiometer. Just like that. So we'll proceed to the next part, which is the button. And remember, the button has 4 legs, but in this video, we're only going to use 3 legs. So I'm going to connect the button like this to the breadboard. The first leg, I'm going to connect that to the pin number assigned to it. And the next one, I'm going to connect that to the ground. At the other side of the button, I'm going to connect that to the 5 volts, and the other one, we're just going to leave it there. So, I'm going to put it there. So now I will place first, I'm going to connect it to the assigned number. There. Then I'm going to connect it to the ground using a resistor. Like that. Then I will connect it to the 5 volts, which I connected to the breadboard earlier. So we're up to the last, buzzer. The buzzer has, of course, 2 legs, the longer leg and the shorter leg. And remember, the longer leg connects to the pin number assigned, and then the shorter leg connects to the ground. I will be using FM cables because it is easier and more convenient to use them rather than jumper wires. So there, I'm just gonna connect this first to the pin number assigned to it, and then I'm going to connect it to the ground. And then we're done. So we finished building the prototype, and all we need to do is to connect this to the laptop and upload the code. And I'm gonna show you the code right now. So we're done with the code and the prototype. All that's left is to test this thing if it actually works. As you can see, the code and the prototype actually worked. Yes, oh my god, it worked! So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned a lot while watching this video, and of course, always fix the things and put it back at the Arduino kit. And I hope that you had fun making this Arduino with me, and that is it. Thank you!